Hello guys and welcome to another PKTV Productions. This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Yes, this is in the gold, and yes, it has been a little bit late there getting this, but that's a story for another time. But here's a look at the iPhone in a nice black box. As you can see the Apple logo there, an iPhone and another Apple logo. As you can see, I've got the 512GB model. So the top spec model here in gold. And so let's take a look. Now I have already pre-opened this because I had to get my SIM card set up and that type of stuff. But when it comes in the box, it actually is flat. It's not actually comes up with the screen up, but I've put it back like that. So anyway, so I'm taking it out now because it's actually harder to take out when you put it that way because it's only got a sticker on the front there. But, as you can see, there's a sticker there. There's no sticker at the back, but it's a really weird feeling at the back. So, whatever that is, it's like a glass metalish feeling, which is really strange. So, yeah, the bottom here, we've got the usual suspects, like the lightning cable. We've got our buttons on the side there, a nice gold finish. It's pretty similar to what it was last time. Very dark gold on the sides there, as well as light gold on the back. And so this is the new bright coloured LED screen. I'm just going to put my country in, Australia. And here we go. So that's pretty much the iPhone Pro Max. So let's have a look at what else we get. So the usual stuff we get here. So we've got our hello tips. We've got pretty much various other things like our SIM card ejector. And yes, I'm aware you can actually put eSIM activation on here. I haven't got around to doing that so far. And we've got our Apple stickers. So similar stuff. And the other things that are new this year is that we have an 18-watt power adapter. As you can see, that's the Australian version. Very much with a USB-C on the side there, so we can just plug directly in. We've got our stock standard Lightning headphones that no one uses, and of course a Lightning to USB-C cable this time round. So awesome! They've actually answered our queries. So let's have a look and see what this thing has on it. So I'm just going to set this up real quickly. Hello, and let's set her up manually. Okay, just got to put in my Wi-Fi network. 2 seconds, and there we go. So we're ready to activate the iPhone. Shouldn't be too long. Stock standard stuff. Now, the main difference with this particular iPhone is obviously the 3 cameras. We've got 3 optical zoom this time round, and we've pretty much got a better front-facing camera this time round as well. It has a night mode. It has basically everything you could ever want in camera-wise, as well as a better OLED screen. So I'm just going to restore from iCloud, and once we're done that, I'll get back. This is a really quick unboxing of the iPhone Pro Max, so I'll see you guys later.